All right, everybody, welcome back. Today we're looking at a brand new watch for me. This is from a micro brand called Revelot, which is out of Malaysia, specifically Kuala Lumpur. This is a Gerald Genta inspired design, which is nothing crazy. We've seen a ton of those come out in the last 2 years. Christopher Ward 12 being probably the biggest one, but also, you know, the Tissot PRX and others. So this is obviously inspired by the Nautilus, and absolutely love this watch so far. Just unboxed it and took all the plastic and everything off, but I paid $145 for this. It's a 40 millimeter Swiss quartz. So far, very impressed with the overall build quality. In the box, we got a pillow plus a little warranty card showing the date of purchase and 2-year international warranty plus a little cash voucher for the next purchase. I found this brand through a Facebook watch group, like a Microbrand group that, I don't know, got recommended to me somehow. And I got it on the pre-sale, so I ordered this like the day that they became available. I paid, with shipping and tax and everything, $145. I'm now seeing on the website that they start this 40 millimeter quartz version at $129, but it was discounted down from like $170. So I don't really know where this is going to come in price-wise when it's back in stock, because this currently is out of stock. But overall, I like the watch a lot. They had a automatic version that was a little bit more popular. I think had a little bit of a nicer dial. Obviously, people want the Seiko NH movement. This is using a Swiss Ronda Quartz, which is totally fine by me. The seconds hand is hitting pretty much every mark, almost dead on, just a little bit off, but I've definitely seen worse. Really like the Guilloche dial. The applied indices, the baton indices there, let just enough light through that sapphire anti-reflective coating to kind of bounce off the indexes there. Really, really cool. Date window is nicely placed. Yeah, just like the look of the watch. It's hard to mess up a Genta design, honestly, because there's a reason why they're so popular. They just look great. So you got this double wing case design, like the Nautilus, classic look, like the logo, the Malaysian star there above the Revelot at the 12. Gentus at the 6 is a nice touch. Obviously, name is inspired by Gerald Genta. Overall, really nice first impressions of the watch. My favorite part so far is definitely the crystal, at least the anti-reflective coating is just catching and dispersing all the light in just enough of a way to let me see through the dial and let light bounce off all those indexes. It's just an awesome little watch so far. Going over the overall case design, the finishing looks very good. You have vertical brushing here on the face and also here on the lugs. You have a little bit of a polished edge around the bezel there, and then we go down to the case profile where we get more vertical brushing. Malaysian star on the crown is a really nice touch. I really like the screw down lugs as well. I decided not to go with the bracelet because I think these integrated bracelet, Genta design watches are getting a little bit played out, and it's nice to switch it up a little bit with a rubber strap. I don't own a PRX, I probably never will. I do have a Christopher Ward 12 coming at some point, but I think that those bracelets are a little bit flashy for me, so I really like the way that this one looked on the rubber strap, and that's why I went with it. It is actually a really awesome little rubber strap because one, it says Revelot on the inside, and it has a little Malaysian star on it. But when you look at the outside, it is using that Guilloche style design that you find on the dial right there on the strap as well, which is just a really cool touch. I'll show you how it wears on me. Right now, today, I'm wearing my Addy's Dive Deep Sea Hunter, which I will be doing a video on at some point. I'm waiting for one more Addy's Dive watch to come in. I'm going to do all three together. Case back, I didn't show you guys Malaysian star as well. We got 5 ATM, sapphire glass, Swiss movement. Again, it's the Ronda Quartz. Anything else I can tell you here? It is using C3 Superluminova for the lume. And the only place I see lume is on the hands, so I guess we'll just check that and find out. Yes, so we have lume on the chapter ring and as well as the hands. So, very nice. I will take off the watch I'm wearing today and swap it for this Revelot. And there we have that. As I expected, the watch is very comfortable. The strap material is an awesome choice. I went for the 40mm version, and I think it wears really well on me. Just pretty much exactly how I would like a watch to wear. So they nailed the size there. Give you a little bit of verse roll with the strap. They do offer this watch in 2 other sizes. They offer it in a 40 automatic, a 40 quartz, and a 36 quartz. So you can get it a little bit smaller than this if you'd like. But I went with the 40 personally. They say 9.2mm thickness, which is why I went for the quartz, because the automatic version is actually closer to 12mm thick, which is not crazy thick, but when you can get a watch that's 9mm thick, that's pretty nice. Lug to lug is going to be a little bit difficult with the integrated bracelet, but I'm going to estimate it at 45.5, which I think is what they have as well. 45.5 exactly on their specs. The watch with the silicone strap that we have here is 100 grams, so really lightweight. Really like the watch overall, I guess. I like the weight, I like the size, I like the way it wears, I like the design. You know, is it a little bit derivative and, you know, an homage? Essentially, yes. But it's $145 from an independent micro brand. And now I have the Guilloche dial, so it's pretty awesome. I'll leave a link to the company's website in the description and let you guys check it out more. This is a relatively new watch. Again, I got in on the launch basically when this watch design first came out. Most of the models that I can tell are sold out currently. So who knows how long it's going to take them to get it back in. But I really like the look of the watch. I think the quality is there, especially for the price. I'm not seeing anything jumping out at me as far as quality control issues with the indexes or the date window or anything like that. Let's see if I can change the date here. Yeah, it looks like date window might be a little bit to the left, but overall it's pretty good. It's better than some Seikos that I've received, and I guess it's pretty good for a $145 watch from a micro brand. All right, well, that's all I've got for today, guys. I recommend the watch. I think it wears really well on me. I have a 6¼ inch wrist, and I think it would be an excellent choice for most people at this size. All right, see you in the next one.